Today, we're diving into how to ask questions in French. Whether you're just starting or want to improve your conversations, learning to ask questions is essential. In this video, we'll cover different ways to turn sentences into questions, go over key question words, and share tips to help you sound like a native speaker. Ready to get started? Let's go.
Asking questions with where.
Où.
Use.
Où.
To ask where something or someone is. Examples.
Où habites-tu?
Where do you live?
Où vas-tu en vacances?
Where are you going on vacation? Asking questions with when.
Quand?
Use.
Quand?
To ask about time or dates. Examples.
Quand arrives-tu?
When are you arriving?
Quand est ton anniversaire?
When is your birthday?
Quand partons-nous?
When are we leaving? Asking questions with why.
Pourquoi?
Use.
Pourquoi?
To ask about reasons or motives. Examples.
Pourquoi apprends-tu le français?
Why are you learning French?
Pourquoi es-tu en retard?
Why are you late?
Pourquoi veux-tu partir?
Why do you want to leave? Asking questions with who.
Qui?
Use.
Qui?
To ask about people. Examples.
Qui est-ce?
Who is it?
Qui vient à la fête?
Who is coming to the party? Asking questions with how.
Comment?
Use.
Comment?
To ask about methods, descriptions, or conditions. Examples.
Comment ça va?
How are you?
Comment fonctionne cette machine?
How does this machine work?